Ready, get set, go! And there goes Walton, he's going around the bend, and oh my god, and Medell's beating him by 2, by 1, by 1, by 2, by 3, gas tube's out, tripod's out, Medell's down, Walton's doing good, they're about tied, except for Walton's can't get his dick in the hole, but Medell's going. That's it, Medell's almost there, it's putting the spring back in, pull it back. There it goes. There goes Walton. Oh, they're dead tied. Medell might win, Medell is in the lead. Oh shit. Medell won! That was a good